After spending few days in Eldoret, it's time to go to one of the most recommended cities on this channel. Today we are taking the smoothest Kenyan road trip to Kisumu, the cleanest city. Guys, I never knew Kenyan roads are this beautiful and smooth. Just keep watching this video. The way you see this road, as smooth as you see this road, that's how this road will remain smooth from Eldoret to, and even get better when you approach the cleanest city, Kisumu. And the time I got to Kisumu, oh my God, nobody has ever told me that Kisumu is like this. Guys, keep watching this video. This is gonna be a raw and unfiltered video because I want to take you guys on a journey together to see how smooth and beautiful, as in how beautiful this road are because of the trees, the nature, the everything. So if you're not subscribed to this channel, make sure you click on the red button over there, subscribe, and also click on the bell button so that you get notified whenever we post more adventures from this beautiful country, the pride of Africa. So guys, let's go to the cleanest city in Kenya, Kisumu. If not the cleanest city, if not one of the cleanest cities in Africa. Join me guys, let's go. And one more thing guys, for some of you who has been to Kisumu or some of you are from Kisumu, kindly in the comment section below recommend a place or a thing you want us to do in Kisumu. We are going to be spending a lot of time in Kisumu, more than a week in Kisumu. So we are here to actually experience this beautiful and cleanest city. Kindly recommend a place or a thing you want us to do in Kisumu in the comment section. I'll be reading your comments and I'll be expecting to hear from you. Let's go to the cleanest city in Africa. Don't forget, if you're not subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the post notification so that you get notified when we post the next adventure, because we are going to be posting adventures back to back on this channel. Join us.
best thing in this life's for free, and that's so true now. And there I was with my world falling apart, hoping just to get by. Without knowing it, I played it by heart, and now I sing, I'm with you, I'm with you. Oh, we're cruising down to Mexico. I'm turning up the radio, 'cause I'm with you now. You and me, we know that love is in the air, like the wind blowing through your hair. Oh, I'm with you now. I was waiting for the summer to end, thinking about the good times that we had. They will never come back again, but I'm happy as can be. And now I'm thinking, come what may, don't care about what others say, when I'm with you now. Through the autumn and the winter snow, keep telling all the friends we know that I'm with you now. It's to forget, still thinking about how we met. Yeah, I'm with you now. Oh, one thing that it's plain to see, the best thing in this life's for free, and that's so true now. And there I was with my world falling apart, to get by. Without knowing it, I played it by heart, and now I sing, I'm with you, I'm with you. Cruising down to Mexico, I'm turning up the radio, 'cause I'm with you now. You and me, we know that love is in the air, like the wind blowing through your hair. Oh, I'm with you now. I was waiting for the summer to end, thinking about the good times that we had. They will never come back again, but I'm happy as can be. Remember when my world was falling apart, and hoping just to get by. But without knowing it, sing. I'm with you. 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 I'm with you.
Welcome to KISUMU City, the cleanest city in Africa. My first impression of KISUMU is something out of this world because this is one of the most organized, very clean. As in, I think KISUMU is underrated. And over here, this is the airport. This is the KISUMU International Airport. You see how the roads are? There's nothing like dust. Just look, this is airport gates. This is the airport junction. Just look at how smooth, how beautiful. And this is the city of KISUMU, my number one city in Kenya. Look at this. Look at this. Wow, look at that.